Hi everybody, it's Tammy. I just wanted to do a quick show and tell of my design team project for um, Ephemera's Vintage Garden. And I used two different kits. I used this Jardin d'Amour, and I'll have to put the other one down below. Love Always, something like that. So, since it was February, I went ahead and did a couple of these doily holders. And I like all the little details. I used some buttons and lace and butterfly. These come in the kit. The birds are in the kit. Just put some backed with some cardstock. But you could really put candy in them. You could put all kind of little goodies. Excuse me. Or you could put them in the mail with ephemera. This is just a little flip up writing spot. This is in the kit. Just a little writing spot. I love this green with the red. Sorry, I'm trying a new way to tape. And if you don't know by now, February's been a challenging month for me. I had hand surgery February the 1st, and it's still swollen, as you can see. Still hard to bend and cut things, glue things. It's a lot different. I had this thumb done years ago, and it was not half the problem that I've had with this one. So it's very stiff. So bear with me. It's not, I set out to do one thing with the project and I ended up doing something else. Just because of the circumstances, but it's a great kit. I'd like to use it again. These words come in the kit. I think this is in the kit. And I just really have a lot of these flowers. I just really wanted to use some of those and my doilies. Some flowers on the back. A friend of mine gave me these bird houses the other day, bird cages. And I had some little tags, charms. I mean, I'll fill it with some things and send it on its way. This is not from the kit, but I don't know whose it's from. So, the second kit that I used had this beautiful background paper, and I just made this little folded envelope. I think Chic makes this. But I had received a couple in a swap, and they're cute and easy to do, and I love the paper, so did one of those. You could put a cute little note in there. So what I ended up doing was a loaded paper bag, and it is loaded. I mean, I think I could get some more in it, but let's just go through it. Let's see if I can get it untied. And I have a little paper clip here on the first one. These are from the different kits. This is from the kit. So I did not decorate the back, just the front. Really pretty though. Made this little paper bag out of that same paper. Love that. These she sent to me to use. I don't think they were in the kit, and I'll put below what kit they were from. I love these with the little hearts on them. There's so much you could do with them, making the paper clips. I used some washi tape and stamps, and I had this little rose paper. Had these small little CD envelopes. So I covered it with some of the paper in the kit. And this is one of the images from the kit. I'll put those back in later. This paper, etc. is from the kit. Made a little paper bag. And I love these colors together. The blues and the reds, the greens. That's from the kit. Something on marriage. So I wanted to do this at the end of February because, you know, February being Valentine's Day, I just really got behind with the surgery and my recovery. Just a wax bag. This is from the kit. Just a journaling spot on the back. I had this frame and I just made a little pocket in the back. Made this card. This is from the kit. So it just goes right back in there, but somebody could put something else in the frame. The goal of this was really to just do some pieces that would go in a journal. It'd be a lovely kit to go in a journal. So this is a, I think it's bacon paper. And she has these faux wax seals in the kit. This is all from the kit. I don't think I put anything in there yet. But, you know, I would put that in a pocket, put something in it. So I hope I'm in frame with this. It's just the biggest of the bags. So this just kind of went with it. Some tea-dyed paper. Some ephemera I had. This is from the kit, and my original idea was to use this image and make a small journal, but I just changed my mind once I got started on it. I did collage over part of an envelope. Got that idea from Liz, the paper project, and that's one of the ladies, and I backed it with some paper. This just was just trying to use some of my ephemera also that went with the kit, that coordinated with the kit. These little ladies are in the kit. This is in the kit. There's some more jars. I had these tags. I'll probably put something on that. I'm sure you recognize the Tim Holtz die cut. Just a little tag that I had. And a little frame. And another of the ladies. So that's the front of the loaded bags. Let me flip it over to the back. And this is the back. And so I actually sewed this down. You flip a couple of the bags this way. I'm not sure if someone's done that, but I came up, you know, I like that idea. So I have cut at the top. And you could actually have more layers if you want to cut at the top and put things in there. But I have slid things in because that's the wax bag and you can see through it. This is from the kit. I had this little cup. There's a couple of envelopes like this from the kit. One of the images from the kit. Love this blue with the reds. Just tried to use some washi tape on there and some of my hearts. And beautiful bird from the kit. Another one of the envelopes. And I just did a journaling card. I just covered it with that paper. And my idea was to glue it down on a page or put it in a pocket, which I would put something on the back if I did. But, yeah, pretty. And this is from the kit. And I just made it into a little pocket. And I had these pretty little bluebirds. So I probably would make that into a tag. So I hope you like the flip through of my stuffed ephemera bag. and these cute little heart bags. I really enjoyed this. I'll put the link below. And thanks for watching. Okay, bye.